In this video, you'll learn how to select all clones of the same parent object in Inkscape. If you want to learn about clones in detail, check out our clones playlist, its link is in the description. For example, we have these three parent objects, and here we have multiple clones of each. Let's say we want to select only the clones of this circle object. When different clones are mixed like this, it becomes very difficult to select all clones of the same parent. Inkscape provides us with a better and easier solution. First, select any clone of the circle. If you're not sure whether the selected object is a parent or a clone, just look at the status bar. If it says clone, then you've selected the right one. Next, open the XML editor by clicking this icon, or use the shortcut key Ctrl-Shift-X. Here, look for the property xlink href, and copy its value. Now go to the Edit menu, and select the Find/Replace panel. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl-F. In the Find field, paste the value you copied. Change the search mode to Properties. Choose where you want to search, Entire Document, Current Layer, or Current Selection. We'll use All for this example. Expand this to see more options. In general, check the exact match. Under Properties, check the attribute value. In the object type, uncheck all object types and select only clones. Now click Find. As you can see, all 25 clones of this parent object are now selected. If you want to find clones by using the parent object instead, then click the parent object and open XML editor. Here, find the ID value, and copy it. Now, in the Find field, type hashtag, and paste the ID value. Keep the other settings the same, and click Find. As you can see, all clones of this parent are selected.